What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Wingstop Poppy back at you guys again with another video. Now yes, we do have another sneaker unboxing today that I picked up actually last weekend, I believe, last Friday, but just getting around to do the video right now. Hectic times, obviously everyone knows what's going on with the coronavirus. So yeah, I've been just busy dealing with work and just other things going on, but I figured I'd get this video out to you guys today. Before we get into this video, please hit that like and subscribe. Feel free to follow me on Instagram down below to see how I style all my sneakers and outfits. But anyways, yeah, let's just get into it. So like I said, I picked one of these up last Friday, and I've been picking up a ton of this. I've been picking up this model a ton this year. If you guys have been following me, you guys have seen previous videos. So you guys could probably guess it by seeing this box. It is yet indeed another Lebron 7. So I don't even really want to talk about the box too much. We've all seen this box. Same box as they did in the past, but what's cool about these is that these were actually a player exclusive back in 2009, and Nike decided to drop these. Now, I'm not sure why they dropped these. It's kind of random that they dropped this colorway. I mean, I like it that they did because I love the colorway. The colorway on the box reads Black Varsity Red, Nike Lebron 7 Quick Strike. And yeah, let's just pull them out. But getting back to it, as you can see, we do have the Fairfax Lebron 7. But getting back to my original point is that I don't know why they decided to drop these since LeBron didn't go to Fairfax, because Fairfax is a high school in Los Angeles for the people who don't know. But they are a LeBron-sponsored high school. But a general public release, it would kind of make sense to drop the St. Vincent St. Mary ones, I guess. But since they dropped the China Moons, which is kind of similar color to the St. Vincent St. Mary's, green and gold, so I could see why they went this route. And I guess this is really sought after PE back in the day. So I'm happy to have these in my collection. I absolutely love the colorway too. It's kind of like a McDonald's colorway. Like if the McDonald's workers had like sticky uniforms, they would probably be wearing these. Kind of reminds me of the McDonald's All-American game. Like just something that would be like a shoe for that if like LeBron sponsored it. I could definitely see guys wearing this. But anyways, what makes these different than the rest of the LeBron 7s I reviewed is that the patent leather right here. So it's kind of similar to the Air Jordan 11. So I figured I'd whip out the Breds to show you guys like the comparisons of the 11 and the LeBron 7. So as you can see right here. So people are saying like this shoe is kind of like the Air Jordan 11, which you could definitely see, especially when you have that patent leather on there as well. So I don't know. Obviously, I think everyone's going to take the Bred 11 over these, but these things are fire. So getting back into details, you got this Varsity Red. People were saying this was like burgundy or maroon. It's a strict Varsity Red. The only complaint I do have is that there were no extra laces. You only get red laces in these. It would have been nice if they would have hit us with the University gold laces or like black laces. So I actually tried throwing my black laces in for my red carpet since I have my red laces in my red carpets. But I can't do that because this toe cap right here where it says James on the lace lock, it's turquoise, so it's not going to look good on the shoe, so I can't do that. So I might get a pair of black laces because I've seen them with black laces and these go hard with black laces. But anyways, like I said, patent leather. And then we got this like genuine leather up here. So it's like a tumbled leather, which on the rest of the LeBron 7s, you only got like synthetic leather. So different kinds of leather on these for sure. And then we still got our Flywire technology. We got the Varsity Red Nike swoosh with the University gold outline going across, going around it. Then flip and dip on this side, we got a University gold swoosh, and then we get our Fairfax branding right here, and then we get our LeBron logo back there. You guys have seen these as well. And then patent leather on the tongue as well with that LeBron signature and University gold. Now, I really do like these a lot. Quality, I don't know what's going on with the LeBron 7s, but the thing I can say is that it's consistent. So there's always going to be glue marks, there's always going to be stitching errors, so every pair I've gotten has those issues. So at least it's consistent across the board. My patent leather does not have any flaws though, which is nice. Like there's no scuffs that came on it. I've checked both pairs, so that's good because I know sometimes, like the Air Jordan 1 Fearless that I picked up, my patent leather came already like pre-scuffed. So there's no scuffs on here, which is nice. And I forgot to mention Varsity Red Zoom Air Unit as well on these. Overall, I mean, these are just awesome. Like I said, I'm not really sure why they decided to drop the Fairfax ones, but I'm glad they did. I kind of just forgot about these as like one of the PEs because everyone thinks like the Hardwood Classic colorways, the MVPs, and these were kind of an afterthought until Nike brought them back. So I'm happy to have them. And I'm kind of curious to see what the next 7s they drop. Like, these aren't selling out at all, so if you still want these, go ahead and grab them. You can probably get them on the retail on StockX. But I figured I really want them, so I just like paid the full retail price, which is $200, by the way, which I'm indifferent about it. I wish it was $175, but it really is what it is. But yeah, interested to see where they go with the LeBron line. I want the Lakers colorway to drop, which I heard is dropping. I have no clue. The Hardwood Classic I heard is dropping in May. That's just like a rumor. So we'll see. We don't even know what color Hardwood Classic we're even going to get. We don't know if it's going to be the all over suede blues. We don't know if it's just going to be the orange and white ones or the white and blue ones. We don't really know. And the rumor is that mixed match Lakers pair that he wore to Media Day this season is dropping, but that's also a rumor as well. I really just want the blue suede Hardwood Classics to drop, and I'll be good on 7s for the year. So if those drop, I'll be ecstatic as ever. But yeah, that's going to be my review on the Fairfaxes. Definitely, I mean, I'm a LeBron 7 fan, so I love this shoe. Love the colorway, black pan leather. I mean, you guys see it with the 11s. I mean, if you like the Jordan 11, how can you not like this? It doesn't really make sense to me. But anyways, that's going to be my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. Be careful of your surroundings. And yeah, you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.